Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vanilla ice cream milkshake. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of quality vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of cold milk, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. This simple recipe ensures a creamy, flavorful treat every time. It's perfect for a quick dessert or a refreshing snack. Now let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of vanilla ice cream into the blender. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of cold milk. Don't forget to add that 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It truly enhances the flavor. Secure the lid and blend on medium speed until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a consistent, thick texture. Avoid over-blending to maintain thickness. Achieving the perfect consistency is key for a great milkshake. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until it's smooth but still thick enough to enjoy with a straw. If your shake is too thick, add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, and blend briefly. For a thicker shake, add a small extra scoop of ice cream. Remember, a good milkshake should be pourable but not watery. Your delicious vanilla milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can top it with whipped cream, a sprinkle of sprinkles, or even a maraschino cherry. Serve it immediately to savor its cold, smooth texture and rich vanilla flavor. This easy guide helps you create a perfect treat every time. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.